guys, it's Bruce here on your favorite YouTube fitness channel, Ambitious Muscle. Hope you guys have been doing wonderful these past 2 weeks. I know I've been gone for a while. I just ran into a few issues trying to get some equipment because most stores are currently closed right now and Amazon is taking forever to deliver things. And I didn't end up getting anything, so I have to improvise today with what I already have. But don't worry, it won't affect the quality of the workouts. It's just that I might have to make a few suggestions in the mix. Hope you guys have been following protocols and been doing as the government has been recommending, staying at home, only going out for essentials unless you're essential worker kind of thing. Yeah, the sooner we get through this, the sooner the economy can slowly go back to normal. And for those people who aren't currently saving, please get into the mood of saving because it's going to be really important with this unpredictable climate that we're currently in, whether it's means of investing, buying, trading, just saving from your regular job, whatever. Make a habit of doing it because we never know what might happen tomorrow. Anyway, don't want to draw this video longer than I need to. This week I'm going to be doing a video every single day, basically doing how-to videos for each body part using resistance band, as I mentioned in the previous video. So starting off today, we're going to be doing arms, and specifically we're going to start off with biceps. So our first bicep exercise is going to be the preacher curls. So as you guys can see in this video, I don't have a preacher curl machine. It's a home workout, somewhere than like that's going to be the case for most people. So what I've done in this position is as you can see, I'm leaning back against the wall. My butt is against the wall. This is just to keep me in a comfortable position so I don't tumble over trying to preach myself over, trying to do the preacher curl. As you can see, I've leaned over, placed my elbows on my knee, and I'm preacher curling the bar right now. You guys don't have to do these with a bar or something in between the band. It's just that I don't currently have my band right now is damaged, so I can't use the things that you put on the edge to pull it, right? So I have to improvise. So most people, I'm sure if you've bought a band by now, it would come with or you would have to buy like the thing you have to pull at the top. So attach those at the top of it and put your feet in between the middle parts just to keep it on the ground, and you can do your 21s like that. So as you guys know, with 21s essentially is where you do 7 partial reps like this, 7 down here, and then you do 7 full reps. You can adjust it to maybe 30s or 24s or however you want to do it, right? The main thing is to just do that, and you want to do it for 4 sets and 45-second rest period. Moving on, we're going to be doing some hammer curls. So you guys know hammer curls by now. You hammer curl in the band in this case. So essentially you want to put your feet on the bottom piece of the band, and then you want to hammer curl it up. 4 sets of 15 for those. Nice slow, nice fast ascensions with a nice squeeze hold, slow declines, keep that tension going. Okay, your next arm exercise is going to be triceps, and specifically we're going to be doing tricep kickbacks. So with tricep kickbacks, as you guys know, essentially you're just arching your body over and you're kicking back the band in this case. So for me, I like to, when it was good anyway, for you guys who just bought the resistance bands, you want to hook the top piece with the, as I said, the part you pull on. You want to hook that onto something sturdy, or you can put it underneath something and then you can pull back the band comfortably. For me, I'll just hold it like this and then just pull it back. Same kind of tension. You'd be surprised what you can do with a resistance band. They're very, very versatile and malleable. It's a band, so you'll be surprised. For the next one now, we're going to be doing some tricep pull downs. These are normally done with machines. You have like the machine and you pull it down. So in this case, all I've done is held it up here. As I said, you can hook the top piece to something using the part that you can hold, hook it to something, and then pull it down. Alright, get into a nice tight position, arms tight, body comfortable, legs close together, and pull it down. Very simple. Okay, now we're going to finish off arms with a bit of forearms. I can't leave out these bad boys here, these guns. Alright, what is the arm exercise with forearms? So for the forearms now, we're going to be doing some reverse curls. So reverse curls are basically curls that your hands are pronated. So this is a normal curl. Reverse curl, all you're doing is turning it outward. So go in the same position like as I said, like how we're doing the 21s. And as I say, you're going to be using the band alone if you want. Basically hold it like this, squeeze at the top, slowly come down. 4 sets of those, 15 reps, 45-second rest period. Simple as that, people. Anyway, as I said, I didn't want to make this video way too long and I'm talking way too fast right now. But I just want to respect you guys' time. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. Please don't forget to leave a Zeus. I was not expecting to see you today, it I'm here to observe you today. What is it you are up to this day? Cool. Well, I'm actually doing a series of videos where I'm going to be teaching people different exercises that they can use the resistance band to do. I see. It's good to see my gifts being put to good use. May I? What shall I say? I want to close out the video. Well, if you want, you can close out the video. I was just about to do that. Okay, make room for it. Wait. Damn, bro. What the hell was that a while ago? You know, I literally could have just gotten up and walk anywhere human. That is for humans only. Don't have energy to waste walking. Anyway, what am I supposed to be doing? Basically, you want to tell them to leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel, and also share the video. And you can close it out by saying, keep being ambitious, or you can be how you want. Okay, enough said, human. Anyway, you heard this, human. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and comment how cool I am. Don't forget to share this video. I need to get the message out to as many humans as I can. And my energy must be sustained. Anyway, Zeus out.